Good morning, good night, and anything in between. Welcome to my channel. I am cooking a chicken dish tonight with the chokos I'm about to harvest. So if you come and join me as I look for this one chokos that is ready to be harvested. You can see right there. I've got one. It's ready to be harvested. So this is the chokos I will be cooking with. I will take you to the chili plant and I'll have to get some chili as well for this dish. So for this dish, I also be needing some chili leaves. So I'm just going to be selecting few of the young leaves here. So I probably just need about 12. Chili leaves will just give it a little bit of aroma and a little bit of spice as well. 3 chili as well. Okay, so I'll take you inside so we can start cooking. So we are here right now in the kitchen. So for this dish, I will need obviously the chokos that I've just picked, chili leaves, onion, garlic, and ginger, chili for spice, and chicken. So I've got here 3 pieces of chicken thigh, and I've already cut them into 3 pieces, and I have taken the skin out as well because I don't want to cook with the chicken skin. First thing we would do is prepare the chokos. So for the chokos, because it has a bit of sap when you peel them, so you need to make sure that you wear gloves when you prepare them. First of all, you take the end out. Some people they do this to get rid of the sap, but I'll probably won't bother because I'm wearing gloves anyway. And then cut the end at the top there. So the rest of these can just go into the composition. And before I start peeling them off, I normally just cut them into 4 pieces because it is hard to get the grooves of the chokos. Now I'll just use a peeler to peel the skin off because it's small enough. So I will just cut them into half. I will also wash the leaf. The more ginger you can put in this, the better, because it's actually the ginger that makes the sauce. And the chili, I might just cut them into 2. And so the first thing I would put is the onion. And then a bit of garlic. So I've got it on high heat at the moment. Add the chicken. And then we'll add in the ginger. So what we're going to do is we're just going to brown the chicken. Once the chicken is sealed on the outside, then we're going to turn the heat down. So while I'm doing that, I will prepare the rice. So I have rice now. So I've got about 2 cups of rice here. I'm just going to rinse them. So just rinse it once, and then I'm going to rinse it again. So this water, what I will use as the soup. A bit of crushed pepper, whole pepper, with a gourmet, with vegeta fish sauce, and maybe just 2 chili leaves. Now I'm just going to boil it for about 10 minutes, and now I will put it on high heat. So 10 minutes later, I think it's now boiling. Simmer it for another 5 minutes. So I'm just going to dish it out now. So this is called tinolang manok, and it's eaten paired with rice. And you can either have the soup separate, or you can have the soup on your plate or with your rice. It's up to you how you want to do it, but I'm just going to dish it for you so you could see what it looks like. So you have the chokos and the chicken. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up at the bottom to show some support, or hit the notification bell, or better yet, subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you on my next video, but for now, it's me, truly wonderly yours. Hanggang sa muling pagtatagpo. Bye!